What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I made a video with the LG Velvet camera review against the LG V60, and a lot of you guys were saying that easy, the audio don't sound that great on the LG Velvet, right? So in this video, I'm going to test the audio modes between the LG Velvet and the LG V60. So it has three different type of audio modes. It has the basic, which everybody pretty much use. Then they have the ASMR mode, which gets very loud when recording, and then they have the voice bokeh or bokeh mode on the LG Velvet and the LG V60. So in this video, I'm going to let y'all guys hear all three of the modes on both of the devices, and you be the judge for yourself. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the LG Velvet and the LG V60, and this is basic audio mode. This is probably 99.9% of what everybody would use on both of these cameras. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. Right now, I'm underneath a pavilion, so I might have a little echo, and I want y'all guys to hear this. It's early in the morning, you probably hear some background noise and everything in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the second mode, which is the ASMR, which is a very loud mode. You definitely gonna hear the difference between both of these devices. Now, you got to understand, the LG Velvet is a mid-range device. A lot of you guys was complaining about how the audio sound on the LG Velvet. So I'm putting in comparison between the LG Velvet and the LG V60, and you be the judge for yourself when listening to the audio on both of these devices. So let me go on and switch to the next mode. All right, guys, so this is the ASMR mode, and as you can hear, it has gotten extremely louder than the regular basic mode. So this mode is probably designed for, you know, concerts or very loud environments. If you're trying to talk, you might hear some clipping between either one of these devices. And again, I'm going to go audio from side to side. Now you probably hear a lot more background noise that you would usually hear, especially right now since I'm outside. This is what I wanted to shoot this video so y'all guys can hear all three of the modes. But this is the ASMR mode on the LG Velvet and the LG V60. You let me know down in the comments, how does it sound? Does it clip? Because usually when you have it on this mode right here, it's very loud and it usually clips. So let's go on to go to the next mode. All right, so this is the third mode here, which is called voice bokeh or voice bokeh, however you want to pronounce bokeh. Now, the thing about this mode is you can make your adjustments accordingly to kind of narrow out the subject. So right now I got both devices halfway, but if you turn this slider up or down, you can get more isolated sound between both of these devices. Again, the LG V60 is a flagship phone versus the LG Velvet, which is a mid-range phone. You cannot get high-end flagship stuff out of a mid-range phone. It's not made for that. So that's why you probably hear the difference in audio between a flagship and a mid-range. So a lot of people get it confused between the LG Velvet, which is a mid-range device that doesn't have the quad DAG, doesn't have pro mode and video and stuff like that, compared to the flagship, which is the LG V60. So I think a lot of people get it confused, but this is the voice bokeh between both of these devices. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about all three of these modes in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.